Hello and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, and I really like this car. Audi A3 2-litre TDI S-Line 3-door in brilliant red, got the black pack, 84,000 miles, 7 services, full service history, cam belt replaced at 50,000 miles. We've just put a new clutch and dual mass flywheel in. Really lovely example. Daytime running lights, xenons, black grille, anthracite 18-inch alloys, freshly repowder coated, new rear disc and pads, privacy glass, got the half leather S-Line embossed sports seats, rear park sensors, obviously Bluetooth with music playback and music storage. Slightly smoked rear lights, black Audi badge on the back. Absolutely immaculate, this car. No marks, no chips, no dents, no scratches, not covered in stone chips. Interior is immaculate. Obviously 2-litre TDI manual. Got cruise control, flat bottom steering wheel, Audi Drive Select. Real nice clean car that's been properly looked after. Just driven it. Great fun to drive. Lovely, really clean, tidy boot. Luggage nets in there, jack, wheel brace, spare wheel, toolkit. It's all there. Registered at the start of 2013, January 13, this car, on a 62 plate. Great service history, as I say, cam belt replaced at 50,000 miles. Just had new rear brakes. Wheels are immaculate. Cruise control, it's done 84,000. Super tidy car. Really clean throughout. Just had a new clutch and dual mass. Priced at $9,995. Looks fantastic in brilliant red. Well maintained, beautiful example. And please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to look at our other stock, or find Barclay Motor Company on our social media channels on Facebook or Instagram, or please go to YouTube, find Barclay Motor Company's channel where we upload all of our videos, and this video will end up. If you get to YouTube, please subscribe, and then you'll get a little notification and be the first to see our new cars as they arrive. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.